Raphei wan bam hili in na yorada imik na gathai chi Raphei mis na ma.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and fellow contestants. My name is Ngalanim Rungsung, your contestant number 10. I'm honored to stand before you as a participant in this beauty pageant. I am representing from Chingai, Katamnao, 20 years of age, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Social Work in Don Bosco College, Autonomous Smera. As a social work trainee, I have visited many rehab centers, orphanage homes, old age homes, and many rural places as well, where I have witnessed the misery and suffering of the helpless. That is when I realized that I must become a professional social worker and help uplift the marginalized people so that they can live and lead a happy and healthy life. I have cultivated a passion for traveling, reading books to keep myself motivated, and yes, I'm always open to learn new things. I believe that this Miss RKL extends beyond the crown, so my decision to join this beauty pageant was not solely driven by the title, but rather by a deep-seated desire to use this platform as an opportunity to advocate for peace and harmony, reflecting the current situation in our state, using our voices to echo the aspirations of those who seek tranquility, especially in Manipur. Thank you and have a
Raphei mis na mirin shimbana damdi Varena sumida kapaya ronau Sampunda na mirin na ring pamirana Gaga shumala.
It's number 3.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, very easy question for you.
Okay.
So, my question to you is, what is the positive and the negative point of using social media today?
Thank you so much for the beautiful question. In today's digital world, this social media has become a part of our routine. Every day when we wake up and search our phone and use our phone, and we search everything everything about what's going on in and around, about everything. We can find everything, we can search every answers, not all the answers, but most of the answers in social media. You can get all the news, and you can also the social media also gives a platforms for the youngsters to earn and many things. It helps us in many ways, in education purpose, and even in earnings, and even it helps us to gain knowledge, and it helps us to know what is going on in and around the world. As it is said that a coin have two sides. So if there is advantage, there will also be a disadvantage. So the disadvantage is that if we use too much of this social media, it will impact on our phones, and this can also go cyberbullying, and it can affect our health issues, and even this can create misunderstanding and misconception. So if we don't use it in a wise way, it can create a disasters or have an impact on our life.
Miss RKL 20.
Raphei mis na mirin shimbana damdi Varena sumida kapaya ronau Sampunda na mirin na ring pamirana Gaga shumala nawa kasada Kapabaribu na salatujo Azatutili na wanbam ni jan satada Toptidana jan sarano No nanganam namachuli Yaron ting ting na ngat sek na kama Ta khơ vấp nau sa khơ ngay na chung mây na kipawivang rakawandon pamhili tut tidana chan sarano na wonanganam namachili Raphei wan bam hili inna yaurada imik na ga thai chi Raphei mis na mang sampang sakrana ga thawan yu ting ting lung li yaron ting ting na ngat sek na kama tha kha vap nau sa kha ngai na chung mai na ki pa wi va nga khawon don bam hili thut ti dana chan sa ra no na